Welcome back to Living Oklahoma. It is time for our Mad Science Friday finale.
Yeah, now in honor of Black History Month, we're highlighting movers and shakers in STEM.
Let's head back to the lab where our favorite mad scientists create their version of a classic toy.
Yes, we're the dogs of science.
Woof,
Back
woof.
here, absolutely. Back here on Living Oklahoma. So happy to be back here in the month of February. Something
Do you
special.
know what month it is?
February.
But do you know what's happening in
Yes,
that month?
it's Black History Month. Yes.
And so for Black History Month, I thought we could talk about African American scientists for this.
Great idea.
One African American scientist changed every kid's life.
Okay.
And his name is Lonnie Johnson.
I've never heard of him.
Well, what he did was he invented the super soaker.
I like this guy. Yeah.
He always liked inventing things. When he was in high school, he built a 4-foot-tall remote control robot.
In high school.
Yep.
Wow.
Right after graduating from Tuskegee University, Mr. Johnson worked at NASA in jet propulsion.
Good.
When he was in the lab working on a heat pump that used water, he experimented with some nozzles and thought the pump would make a great toy.
Okay.
He tried to sell the idea but was turned down. He finally got a toy company to make the Super Soaker. And now he has made over $70 million.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it. I got 3 boys, so we bought a lot of those.
I would
tell you.
also like to say I contributed to that.
I'll bet you did. All right,
So today I thought we could make a soaker, not really super. Mediocre soaker.
Mediocre. Oh yeah, try and say that fast 3 times. Mediocre super soaker.
mediocre.
Never mind. Go ahead. Go ahead. So what do we need?
Well, we need this water bottle.
Okay.
We colored the filled with water.
Okay.
We colored the dye that way you guys could. We colored the water that way you guys could
So you
see,
can
it.
see it.
So you can poke a hole at the top. We use this because we have it, and I have a parent or a guardian. In this case, he's a guardian,
Make sure you always have parent or pet, mom or dad.
not pet.
Not pet. We don't trust these guys. Okay. So what are
There
you
we go.
poking a hole in the top? Okay. Now
Yep.
what happens?
And now we're done.
That's it?
Yep. You just
Simple. Okay. Go ahead. Ah!
Water.
Wow! That is amazing. Do that again. Do it again. Do it again. Ah! So basically, you're using the pressure of squeezing that in to be able to make the water shoot out a smaller hole.
exactly.
How cool is that? Now,
It's amazing.
it's an
also
invention.
great for this one thing. You could prank your brother really well. See, all you gotta do, walk up with the water bottle, pretend like you're drinking it, and then all of a sudden,
Oh, good way to prank your brother. Hey, listen, we got a spring break camp coming up.
oh,
Okay, you can find out about it on our website, on Facebook. We got this on YouTube, okay? And in our spring break camp, we're all about inventions, just like this invention of Mr. Johnson's.
nice.
Spring break camp is called Eureka. Make sure you check us out and sign up for the camp, and you too can be an inventor. How cool is that?
That's amazing.
Woof, woof.
Woof, wolf.
From the dogs of science, back to you in Living Oklahoma.
Bye.
We'll be back again next Monday around 10:45 with another Mad Science experiment. Remember to set your DVRs so you can do these experiments with your family.
And you can also visit OKCMadScience.org for more STEM fun.